Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Patterson, local and long distance movers near me. With a presence of a host of professional movers in Patterson, Louisiana, you are spoiled for choice. A rush choice might prove disastrous, and you want to research the available options and come up with the best full service moving company that matches your preferences. You can rely on the long distance and international expertise of 3 Movers. Our helpful logisticians are also at your service in helping you plan your movement needs. We also recommend the type of packaging options to cater to your delicate possessions. We also provide long distance solutions interstate or movement beyond a radius of 100 miles. Our resources of skilled personnel and top range customized trucks will ensure that you will not worry about anything else but your precious belongings. A local move within a range of 100 miles requires careful planning, just like long distance planning. You might be having varied belongings that take a toll on your energy. Picture the physical strength you'll need to dismantle, package, and remove some fixtures, equipment, and other valuables in your house. Think about loading and unloading, packing and unpacking. Besides, you have other commitments to attend to, including your job, family, and others. Hectic, isn't it? Trust us to come up with a localized, all-inclusive package that matches your pocket. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Patterson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.